In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Android smartphone keyboard to default setting. Now, as you can see, I have here a keyboard, but the keyboard is only leaning on the right and it is not centered. And therefore, the numbers or the letters are too small and I'm not comfortable using it. For this case, I'm using Redmi Note 10, but this process should be the same on any Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on these dots. And then from here, look for the one hand option. So this keyboard is one-handed, and to restore it, we have to tap again the one-handed option to restore it. So just tap on it, and now tap on this enlarge icon to resize it or to restore it to its normal size. So anything you do, the keyboard, so it will not turn back to one-handed settings once you have restored it. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.